All right, these guys for every year. They always have like a fishing thing up here. They always bring their cows down there and fish all the time. So let's go on over here. There's Rapala over here in Minnesota too as well, but they got they got some good lures. Rapala does. Crush cities and this stuff are pretty good right here. They're not cheap, but they're good to use. You can tell more rods and reels.
Good to see you. Hello. What's up, stranger? How you doing?
These are not cheap either.
Finding they can't live without you? Yeah. New boat?
You can tell tons and tons and tons of them. $20% off all the lures. They have the crushed cities over here too as well, as you can tell. You said the Mimic, the last one I told you about that one is my favorite. Berkeley's got a bunch of good stuff. These are nice. That's a nice hat. It's nice. A lot of people will buy stuff here and they don't use it. They'll buy a bunch of stuff. You get your license here if you want. I get mine at the gas stations, Holiday. And the big suckers right here, the big dogs.
And for a walleye, for me, it's a wall spring
Over here. That's kind of over there, but you got more fishing rods over here, as you can tell.
You know you were going through yesterday. Well, and it's like
It's not cheap. But there's a ton of them. I like the other. I like the other ones, the push ones, but $300. Holy moly. Not cheap as it used to be. Zipcos were the best. Those are now made in Mexico. Those were solid. Rods and reels. We're here. You can tell.
Yep.
All kinds of. We get over here now. I just call this cheating. I get it. It's more fun to find out when just go looking for them. It's not cheap. Those are depth finders and trolling motors are kind of cool. So you can tell it's just, you name it, they got it here. More rods. Oh, look at these bad boys. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at that. Jesus. All tied up. 2 for $7.
Then I go to the next kid.
Clothing right here, got camouflage.
Which, yeah, I mean.
More of these are not. clothing galore. Here's the other side of the fishing. Yep, you get into a lot of different fishing stuff over here. There's people will buy 2 or 3 of these bad boys.
That's the new slide. I just thought it was always a shaman.
Sorry. Look at some of these lures. Jesus. Look at this thing. Holy moly. Gotta have your knives.
Marine jungle here at the show. Rapala has a gold fire tiger that works
Those
really
things.
well otherwise. Are you familiar with a lot of the Rapala? Yeah, it's like a one that's like a bleeding model.
You name it. Let's go over here. There's more stuff over here. More of these bad boys. Got more stuff. I'm getting some lures if I get around these people real quick. So we'll get over here, some lures. Excuse me.
$350.
You see, these are pretty cool. People always make baits, and these are kind of cool. These Berkeleys are nice. These are nice. These bad boys. Get over here. Buy 2, get 2 free. That's right. You can tell it started on Thursday. Last day is tomorrow. Like I said, it used to be 2 weekends. A lot to see. It's kind of a weird boat right here. It's kind of nice. You can plan your trip. So it's like they're promoting these the covers, I guess, that you can cover your boat. You can see more stuff. See, I like those kind down there. I admit, the best. But these I think are for your basic ones. So, you got your tents. Go camping in here. Your rain gear. Yeah. So you can see there's all kinds of fun stuff here at the Northwest Show. Like I said, the old days it used to be 2 weekends. So anyways, we'll see you the next one.